Hey guys, we're here again today at HardRacing doing our rigid What's Inside the Box series, and today we have the rigid sight light series. These are SITE as in job sites. As you can see, this monster here is made to illuminate a complete job site, like as in ridiculous amount of lumens. They have different sizes of lights for the sight series. They come in a white or a black. The light beam patterns can be different. Some are flood/spot, some are more flood only. Again, all this is on our website. But what we're showing you today is what comes inside the box. Obviously you get this big hoss sight light, and as you can see, you've got LEDs facing straight, and on the side it literally will cover the whole side of a 60-70 foot warehouse building or whatever, wherever you're using it for. Obviously job site. You get this monster stainless steel bracket that obviously mounts to the light, and then you can mount this bracket to whatever, or put it on the ground, put it onto a tripod, mount it on the side of a trailer, a truck, whatever you want. And this again, sight series, these are 120 converted, so this is a DC light, but it comes with a 120 converter. It's got a Deutsch connector here for the light, so basically you plug the light into the converter, and then you got a 120, and you just run that to your wall outlet or extension cord, whatnot. This will mount on the bottom of that if you need, and then you get a ton of hardware, all stainless bolts, huge lag bolts to mount this, and to mount this to other things. You get a really nice handle, a grab handle, foot pads to mount on the bottom of this if you want to put it on the ground. Again, you can also mount this to walls or other stuff, but this is a monstrous mount kit / hardware kit to pretty much put this anywhere you want. So again, there is a ton of versions of these things, pricing all over the place depending on how much output you want, how big the light is. But basically, this is in essence what is going to be included with this specific light. Check the specs on our website for other ones. And again, this is a DC converting to a 110 or 120, so that way you can plug it into the wall. You don't have to worry about your batteries. So obviously we have a lot more videos coming, so please click the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so you get notified when we get our next video up and running. And we appreciate all your comments and feedback, so please leave a comment below, help support our channel. And if you're interested in this light or any other rigid lights, we have coupon codes for you, so please be sure to send us an email to get the coupon code to give you extra discounts. And if you have any questions, comments, or whatever, you can always contact us on the phone or check out our website at hardracing.com, and we will get you taken care of.